good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Rata K coming at you with another video. So today's look is going to be a yellow inspired look. It was really fun doing this look and I loved how it turned out, and I know you're gonna like it too. Yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on any more looks that you guys would like to see me do. And also turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, because you want to be the first one to know, right? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go.